and welcome to Helen's Photos. I'm Helen and this is one of my photos. Today's photo shows a sunflower. A sunflower is a big yellow flower. Why is it called a sunflower? It is called a sunflower because it looks like the sun. The sunflower has yellow petals around the edge. All around the sunflower there are yellow petals. The sunflower has green leaves. We say 1 leaf, 2 leaves, 3 leaves, 4 leaves, and so on. 1 leaf, but the plural is leaves. The sunflower is in front of my house. My house is here. The sunflower is in front of my house. My house is behind the sunflower. Above the sunflower is a window. That window is my bathroom window. That is my bathroom window. If you look very closely at this sunflower, you can see a butterfly. There is a butterfly on the sunflower. There is a small butterfly on the big sunflower. The butterfly is small, the sunflower is big. Do you have sunflowers in your country? Tell me in the comments. I'll see you soon with more photos. Bye.